Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Varun Kumar. In this video, I'm going to give a very quick information about the current situation. As we know that it is a pandemic situation, and I'm going to explain you about the current situation of Argentina. Yes, before the topic, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now let us come to the topic. As we know that Argentina is one of the most beautiful country which is situated in South American continent. As you know that there are many South American countries such as Brazil, Venezuela, Chile, Argentina, Uruguay, but Argentina is one of the biggest. As you know that Brazil is also one of the biggest country in South America, and Argentina is also situated at the southern part of South America, and it is also one of the most beautiful and biggest country, and it also consists of many beaches, and it is also a coastal area. It also consists of many coastal areas as it is situated in South America. As you know that South America is the country which is surrounded by oceans. Is a continent. South America is the continent which is surrounded by ocean, and Chile the country which is, as you know that it is a coastal country, and Argentina is also one of the country where it consists of many beaches, and also it is there are many coastal regions in Argentina also. But its current situation, the currency of Argentina is not at all well. As you know that once upon a time Venezuela was one of the most richest country a few years ago. As you know that petroleum was exported from Venezuela to all over the world, but now as you know that Venezuela is not at all a great country at current situation in economic crisis. But if you wanted to visit Venezuela, that's good. But the person, those who wanted to settle in Venezuela, he mustn't should change his decision, because Venezuela currency is too low at current situation. At the same time, Argentina is also becoming like Venezuela. Definitely Argentina won't become like Venezuela. The economy of Argentina is not at all strong, but if you compare with Venezuela, the economy is good of. But Venezuela's economy was extraordinary in the period of 1950s 1960s. But as we know that at current situation, Venezuela currency is too low. For example, if if we compare with our Indian currency, it's too low. Our Indian currency is strongest currency if you compare with Venezuela. But if you compare with Argentina, approximately, if I would say you in euros, mostly if you work for full time, then you will be earning around 450 to 500 euros. That's it. But if you compare with European countries, you can earn more money. If you compare with Argentina and European countries, Argentina's economy is not at all great at current situation. Day by day, the economy and the currency value is decreasing in all over the world. Especially in Argentina, the currency value is decreasing. So if you wanted to visit the country, Argentina is one of the most beautiful country in all over the world, and it is also one of the attractive country in South American continent. But if you wanted to get be a permanent resident, and if you wanted to get settled, you mustn't should think, because you can't send your earnings to your home country. For example, if you are a student from India, and if you wanted to earn money, and if you wanted to send your own country, then you can study in Argentina. But if you wanted to do job, then you can't earn sufficient amount of money to send to your home country. Whatever the earnings you will be earning, you should spend it in Argentina country only, because the currency value, the economic crisis, as you know that the economy is not at all well in Argentina. So Argentina, this all Latinos, as you know that this Argentina and this all Spanish people are chilled people. They will be enjoying a lot. And at current situation, the Argentina government had also announced a good amount of money to the citizens of Argentina, so they will be spending. And if you wanted to get settled in Argentina, you mustn't should think about this economy. Mustn't should compare the currency value of Argentina and other countries. But Argentina is one of the most beautiful country. The economy is not at all well at current situation. So if you wanted to visit the country, that's great choice. But if you wanted to be settle in Argentina, most of the people, those who wanted to settle in Argentina, had went to Argentina, and then they traveled to USA after staying 2 to 3 years in Argentina. So Argentina is one of the bridge to USA. Yes. If you wanted to go US, it will be easy in Argentina to get visa if you compare with our India. So the people, those who wanted to go US, they will be going to Argentina. Most of the people will be going to Argentina, and they will be getting their visa success. The visa success ratio is extraordinary in Argentina. So Argentina is the country which is used as bridge to get settled in United States of America. So if you wanted to get visit and if you wanted to chill out, Argentina is one of the most beautiful country and attractive country. But if you compare economy is not at all well at current situation. So I hope you get a little bit knowledge in this video. Please be connected with me. I'll be uploading more and more videos regarding these international affairs. And Argentina is one of the most beautiful and attractive country. If you wanted to visit Argentina, that's a great decision. So please be connected with me. I'll be uploading more and more videos. And pandemic is not yet completed in all over the world. So must stay safe, stay home, must follow precautions. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai. I will be please be connecting with me. I'll be uploading more and more videos regarding this Argentina also, because Argentina is one of the most beautiful country in South American continent on all over the world as well. So once again, Bharat Mata ki Jai, Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.